Welcome back, guys. Today I had an order come in from MPB. I got a camera off there that was rated good, so I want to open it up and see what it looks like coming in as a rated good camera. The camera I got in was a Canon 40D, and yes, it's an older camera, but I did a review about the 30D and the 50D and the 60D and so on, and one of you guys mentioned you never did a review of the 40D, and I said, well, I never used the 40D very much, so I thought, because he had said he thought it was better than the 50D. So I thought, what the heck, it's a good time to test out MPB's good rating and go ahead and check out the Canon 40D. So let's do that. So it comes in a gigantic box as usual. There's the box. Inside the box, this one's a little bit smaller. I don't know about you guys, but it seems like when you order something, there's so much wasted material. They send these gigantic boxes for such little things, but oh, what you gonna do? All right, so we got a box, more wrapping. Hey, we got the Canon strap. That looks good. Battery charger. Battery, I wasn't sure if it was coming with all that or not. And the charging cord. And here is the Canon 40D. So let's check it out. They use this cool material for about everything I've ordered from them. I don't know what it's called, but it's kind of neat. And here is the camera. And I'm pretty impressed. It looks really good. I don't know, a lot of these places like KEH and MPB, they rate things fairly low, but take a look at that. It looks in really good shape to be rated just good. So I didn't get a lens, but put the battery in it. Turns on, and it's got the almost with these little LCDs. The new cameras, I don't have it on any of them, so I've almost forgotten about those. I always liked them, but with the new cameras, the R6 and most of the ones I use don't have them. I did like them, nothing against them. I'd probably rather have it than not have it. So, but the camera looks in really good shape. Again, I see no scratches. I see hardly anything worn. The hot shoe looks excellent. All the dials. I mean, everything just looks great on it. I'm just not sure how they come to these ratings of how they would only rate this good. There's like 5 ratings above good. So, but to me, this looks, I had a product coming the other day I was rating with you guys. It was that Tamron lens, and it looked brand new off the shelf. That's basically what this camera looks like. So, but anyway, I'm going to be doing a review of this camera. I'm going to compare it against the 50D side by side. He had mentioned that because of the less pixel count, the pixels were bigger, and therefore it had, I think, better light, which is the same philosophy I use on the Canon R6 versus the Canon R5. So we will see if that's true. I'm going to try out the 40D. I haven't tried one of these out. I may have had one for a short time years ago, but I mostly went from the 30, then to the 50, and then on up from there. But yep, all those D cameras were just fantastic little cameras. So I will get started and get some work going on this camera, and we about have our studio built. This used to be a studio and a YouTube room, and now we're setting it up. We've almost got 3 spots where we do YouTube, so it's full down here with all the equipment shelved up all around it, and then 3 setups for YouTube. So I've had to move my studio upstairs. It's not quite ready yet, but we hope to have it ready next week, and we'll be doing some shooting in there. So that will be nice because it's wintertime and there's just nothing outside that's worth photographing. So anyway, we will check out this Canon 40D and see how it does, see how it rates against the 50D, and we'll go from there. Hey, we're helping you guys out. Hit subscribe. Have a good day.